fixed right now, boys. I'm about to be cutting the not the muffler. It has an aftermarket muffler. I'm not sure what it has, but it has something that gives it a little bit of tone. But I miss how my old GTI was sounding, so I'm gonna be getting a little resonator delete for now, because I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do. I think I'm gonna be getting a 3-inch downpipe though, but for now, just the resonator, just so I can have a little bit of tone, boys. But I mean, yeah, just a little bit of tone, boys, and it actually sounds really good. And I wonder what it's gonna sound like with the muffler on, so, because it's an aftermarket muffler. My other one just had no resonator, no muffler. This one has an aftermarket muffler. We'll see what it sounds like. Let's go. Yeah, you remember when I had the other GTI? Yeah. The gray one? Yeah. I got this. This is a new one.
You got too many GTI, huh?
Yeah.
You like a GTI?
Of course.
My friend, you like a GTI, huh?
Yep. Alright, see ya. I wonder what kind of stuff he has, bro. Yeah, bigger for my head. I mean, smaller for my head. Yeah, I like this though.
Yeah, I like this.
I like the big tip.
Gay!
Resonator out, boys. How do you feel such as a driving?
Cause there's always niggas walking around and shit.
Nah, dude, I would, if I was going to smash, I'd go to driving.
Well, like what part?
Wherever I feel risky.
Nah, fuck.
Dude, cause look, if you go to a random park of couples up on YouTube, then you're fucked.
What if you were just fucking right there and some little kid nigga just walked past by you and you're
Oh my god. Dude, nobody walks by. Dude, it's late. You go late. You don't go early. You go like later in the night, bro.
Nah, I don't know. I just thought somebody had more cars.
Dude, cause I would feel so sus at a park or like a random parking spot.
Oh, nigga, I'm not saying the park, nigga.
Cause it's sus, dude. That's more sus. You're in the street. In the drive-ins, that's what everyone does, so it's normal. You just park away from everybody, fool.
In the back, huh?
In the back, or sometimes in the front when you're feeling savage. If you have dark ass tint, it doesn't matter, dude. Cause it's dark.
I'm gonna have to get my tint done, dude. I think I'm gonna change that from the back of the tint.
Your tint is good. What do you mean?
I kinda wanna change, make it darker in the back.
Nigga said.
Yes, sir. Take something else off while you're here.
Alright, boys, we left. Low-key kind of disappointed. We're about to see how it actually sounds, though. Real test right here. You ready? You can barely even hear it, bro. It sounds better though, for sure.
Yeah, you can hear it though, a little bit.
A little bit more, like barely more. That's kind of disappointed.
Not gonna lie, huh? No pops either.
Barely, bro. What? Guys, the only reason we're so disappointed is because my other one was kind of louder. That's crazy. I mean, I guess it's good for police and shit, but
Niggas aren't even gonna look at you.
yeah. That nigga how looked at us.
Did he actually?
Yeah. Right when I turned it on, I was like, fuck.
I know, me too. I was like, wait, hold on.
You're like, did he turn it on? Did he turn it on?
Something right.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, you can hear more.
A little bit, it's like a little. You feel me? You hear it?
Yeah, like I hear it, you hear it. Once I get the downpipe, it's gonna sound good for sure. Ramon's gonna be like, ah! He'll be like, boy, what do you even do? Let me see your phone, let me see your phone. I'm gonna be savage with it right now. For the camera, for the camera. Video, 0.5. Watch, you ready? Misa said it couldn't be done. How'd it come out? Did it look cool?
That shit looks hella clean.
Send me that video.
Yo, that shit looks crazy.
Did that shit cool? Did that shit cool?
Nigga, that shit looks crazy. Look, nigga. I'm gonna have to do that shit with the Lexus, nigga.
Hell yeah, dude. You never seen those videos?
No, but
that's
like,
what I've always wanted to do when since you've had it for a while, dude.
No, I like thought about it, but like I wasn't like, oh, this is what I'm gonna do with the Lexus today. But,
Oh,
like,
okay, that's what you mean.
I forgot I had the fucking camera too.
Dude, cause I always see I see those on Instagram and they look so cool, dude. Did it look cool?
Crazy, nigga. I'm gonna send it to you.
Did it look like I was going fucking 100?
Not 100, nigga, but like it looked like you were going fast because of everything like moving fast.
Can I get 2 Travi patties?
Just the patties or the meals?
Oh, the meal.
Okay. What kind of drink?
What can we give you? A Coke and a Sprite, please.
Anything else?
Can you put extra, like, what's it called? Can you put extra sicko mode sauce on there?
Sure thing. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
About 15, 30 first one, I'll take you.
Alright, thank you. I love onions. Alright, boys. Oh shit, let me turn the radio down. First Krabby Patty. Oh shit, I'm making a mess in here. It's okay, I'm gonna vacuum. Hopefully it's good, bro. My teeth hurt too, so I can't even bite that good. Oh. That shit's pretty good. It's not all crazy, but that's just pretty good. Oh. Boys, what? My shit pops? What the fuck? Yo, I didn't even realize my thing popped like that, bruh. Yo, that's so sick, boys. I was hating on this exhaust for, at the start, but nah, bruh. Oh, that shit, oh my goodness. That thing sounds cool, bruh. I don't got no two-step or nothing, bro. That's just, I don't even know. Well, I does have a chip tune, but that's it. And I'm not even really sure what that adds, but yo, that's crazy. What the fuck? Yo, that's weird. Unless it's just because I just barely started the car. I don't know, but yo, that sounds pretty good. It's a resonator lead plus this random muffler. It came with the car. Aftermarket though, it's not like a stock muffler. I didn't think it was gonna be too good because when I first got it, it wasn't that loud. I mean, it's cool for now, you know. I'm gonna be getting a downpipe, so that's gonna be, and then I'm gonna tune the car. Just wait on it, just wait on it. But boys, that's not too bad. If you guys want to see what it sounds like with like a muffler and resonator lead, I have another video. It's an old video though, so it's gonna be kind of cringy, but make sure to go check that out, boys. I'll put it up in the corner. I don't know which side it is, but it's one of these two sides. But I don't know, boys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Dude, those pops were fucking nice, bruh. Anyways, boys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.